Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with Prepclass. I am your tutor, Adindo. In this video, I'll be solving section F, which has to do with questions 19 to 23 from our Ugo C Ugo Quantitative questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answers when solving questions in quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know today also will be fun as well. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can also leave a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Now, this is section F, and we'll be using this sample to solve questions 19 to 23. Now, looking at this picture, this is what we call a Venn diagram, and it gives us an information about the number of people that participate or that has to do with photography, music, and swimming, that has each of all these hobbies as their hobbies, and also the number of people that has more than one of them or all of them as their hobbies. Let's read the instruction. It says, the diagram above is a representation of 3 different hobbies, what people do at their leisure. That's what hobbies means. Now, circle P represents photography. So this circle P represents photography, M, music, M represents music, and S, swimming. S represents swimming. The 3 circles overlap. You can see the overlap. They join one or more numbers, or they circle one or more numbers. That is, some people have 2 or more hobbies. Note the 7 distinct portions. So there are 7 different portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with this information, we'll be using it to answer questions 19 to 23. All right, let's move on. Question 19. What area represents people who take to swimming only? What area represents people who take to swimming only? This is how to get it solved. Now, if you look, swimming only, it has nothing to do with any other. Only swimming is this area, which is 7. So our answer to question 19 would be 7. 7 is the only area that has to do only with swimming and not photography nor music. All right, let's check it out. Question 19, option E, 7 is our correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question 20. Which area represents those who take to photography or swimming or both, but not music? Okay, let's look at the question again. Which area represents those who take to photography or swimming? So it's either photography or swimming, or both photography and swimming, but not music. This is how to get this question solved. Now, we need to highlight those areas or those areas that has to do with photography. 1 has to do with photography. 7 has to do with swimming, because the question says those areas that has to do with photography or swimming or both. So 1 has to do with photography, 7 has to do with swimming, and 4 has to do with both photography and swimming. Both photography and swimming, but not music. If you look at the 3 numbers I highlighted here, has nothing to do with music. This is the circle for music, and neither of these 3 numbers is found in the circle for music. So our correct answer will be 1, 4, and 7. You can see it written here. 1, 4, 7 should be our correct answer. Let's check out our correct answer. Option B, 1, 4, 7 is actually our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 21. Which area represents those who enjoy swimming or music or both, but not photography? All right, this is how to get this question solved. Now, we need to understand the question so we can know what numbers to highlight as our answer. It says, which area represents those who enjoy swimming, is only swimming, or music, or both, but not photography. So the answers we'll be selecting are answers that has to do with only swimming and music, and it will have nothing to do with photography. So if you look at these, 3 has to do with music only, 7 has to do with swimming only, and 6 has to do with both music and swimming. None of them has to do with photography. So our answer would be 3, 6, 7. As I've written it here, 3, 6, 7. That would be our answer to question 21. Let's check it out. Question 21, option E is 3, 6, 7. All right, let's look at the next question. Question 22. Which of the area represents those who have music as their only hobby? Now, this question is a straightforward question. We are only considering music alone. Let's look at how to get it done. So, I said earlier on, it's a straightforward question. We'll be looking at only music. It will have nothing to do with neither photography nor swimming, but only music. And since we are sticking with only music, our correct answer would be 3. You can see it here. I even drew an arrow to bring it out here. 3 would be our correct answer. Let's check out the correct answer. Question 22, our answer would be 3. Option B is our correct answer. All right, let's move on to the next one. Question 23, it says, which area represents those who have music together with photography and swimming as their hobby? Now, this question entails an answer that has to do with all of the 3 hobbies. Let's check out how to get this question solved. Now, in this question, we need to select an answer that has to do with all of the 3 and not excluding any one of them. So if you look at all the numbers, there's only one number that has to do with all of the 3. This number 2 has only to do with photography and music. 4 has only to do with photography and swimming. 6 has to do with music and swimming. But number 5 has to do with both photography, music, and swimming. So the correct answer to question 23 would be 5, because 5 has to do with both photography, music, and swimming. Let's check out the correct answer. So question 23, our correct answer would be option D, which is 5, because 5 has to do with both music, photography, and swimming. All right. This is how much we can take in today's video. I hope you had fun, because I also had fun. And I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using the link below, so we can get updates about videos to come and also comment on the previous videos we've seen. It was actually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.